friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see MCQs of Constitution. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see MCQs of Constitution. Question number 1. Keshavananda Bharati case is associated with. Answer is option number A means fundamental rights. Question number 2. The members of the Council of States in India are elected for a period of. Answer is option number C, 6 years. Question number 3. The President can't dash Lok Sabha. Answer is option number B, adjourn. Question number 4. The duration of an ordinance issued by the President of India is. Answer is option number D, 6 weeks from the date of assembly of the Parliament. Question number 5. Who promulgates ordinance in states? Answer is option number A, Governor. Question number 6. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament? Answer is option number C, Speaker. Question number 7. The amending power of the Constitution of India is described in article. Answer is option number B, article 368. Question number 8. The ex officio chairman of the Council of States is. Answer is option number B, Vice President. Question number 9. In India, the Council of States is responsible to. Answer is option number B, the state. Question number 10. The number of the Anglo-Indians nominated to the House of People is. Answer is option number C, 2 members. Question number 11. The number of nominated members to the Council of States is. Answer is option number B, 12 members. Question number 12. How many methods are there to amend the Constitution of India? Answer is option number C, 3 methods. Question number 13. Article 362, Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Answer is option number D, National Emergency. Article 352, National Emergency. Question number 14. Article 32 stands suspended during an emergency under article. Answer is option number A, Article 352. Question number 15. Which article of the Constitution of India empower the President to take over the administration of a state on the basis of failure of constitutional machinery? Answer is option number C, Article 356. Question number 16. In India, the power of amnesty has been given to the. Answer is option number A, President. Question number 17. The President's rule in a state can be continued at a stretch for a maximum period of. Answer is option number D, 1 year. Question number 18. The Council of State in India has how many elected members? Answer is option number B, 238 members. Question number 19. 42nd Amendment Act was adopted by the Parliament in. Answer is option number C, 1976. Question number 20. The Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India is. Answer is option number A, President. Question number 21. What is the maximum gap permissible between 2 sessions of the Parliament? Answer is option number C, 6 months. Question number 22. The power of President to grant pardon is an independent power distinct from judicial power. It is not judiciable on its merit. Only the area and scope of President's power under Article 72 can be examined by the court was observed by the Supreme Court in. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means option A, State of Punjab versus Joginder Singh. Option B, Kehar Singh versus Union of India. Option C, Maruram versus Union of India. All of the above. Question number 23. The President of India is elected by. Answer is option number C, elected members of both houses of parliament and state legislative assemblies. Question number 24. Council of States in India can delay a money bill for. Answer is option number D, 14 days. Question number 25. Public Accounts Committee has members from. Answer is option number D, both houses of parliament. Question number 26. The members of the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to. Answer is option number B, House of the People. Question number 27. The term federal is derived from the Latin word foedus, which means. Answer is option number C, covenant. Question number 28. Which commission has examined the center-state relations? Answer is option number A, Sarkaria Commission. Question number 29. In the Indian federal system, residuary powers rest with the. Answer is option number D, center. Question number 30. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for cooperation between states? Answer is option number D, Article 263. Question number 31. Madan Mohan Panchi Commission was appointed to study. Answer is option number A, center-state relations. Question number 32. India is a republic in the sense that. Answer is option number A, it has an elected head of the state. Question number 33. The Indian federal system can be transformed into a unitary system under. Answer is option number D, Article 352. Question number 34. President's power in relation to emergency are provided in. Answer is option number A, Article 352. Question number 35. The authority to alter the boundaries of a state in India rests with. Answer is option number B, Parliament. Question number 36. The High Court in India do not possess. Answer is option number C, advisory jurisdiction. Question number 37. Provisions under 9th schedule. Answer is option number B, can't be challenged in a court of law. Question number 38. Under which article of the Constitution the Supreme Court of India has been established? Answer is option number B, Article 124. Question number 39. The High Court has the power to issue writ under article. Answer is option number C, Article 226. Question number 40. The power of the Supreme Court can be enlarged by. Answer is option number B, Parliament. Question number 41. Judge of the Supreme Court can be removed from offices by. Answer is option number B, impeachment. Question number 42. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Answer is option number C, Article 143. Question number 43. Subject in the dash schedule is beyond the scope of judicial review. Answer is option number B, 9th schedule. Question number 44. The Union Legislature in India is empowered. Answer is option number A, not to amend the basic structure of the Constitution. Question number 45. Original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is contained in. Answer is option number A, Article 131. Question number 46. The power of the President to consult the Supreme Court is under article. Answer is option number B, Article 143. Question number 47. The question as to the Constitution amending power of the Parliament came before Supreme Court for the first time in. Answer is option number A. Shankari Prasad versus Union of India 1951. Question number 48. The term of president expires. Answer is option number D. 5 years from the date of entering to the office. Question number 49. Which are the grounds of proclamation of emergency? Answer is option number D. All the above means option A war, option B external aggression, option C armed rebellion, all the above. Question number 50. Financial emergency is dealt with under article. Answer is option number B. Article 360. Question number 51. Grounds for the declaration of financial emergency includes. Answer is option number D. All the above means option A. Threat to the financial stability of India. Option B. Threat to the credit of India. Option C. Threat to the financial stability or credit of any part of the territory of India. All the above. Question number 52. Article 80 deals with. Answer is option number B. Composition of Rajya Sabha. Question number 53. Executive power of the state is vested with. Answer is option number C. Governor of the state. Question number 54. The governor holds office. Answer is option number D. During the pleasure of the president and if not recalled earlier for the period of 5 years. Question number 55. Once the proclamation of emergency is made, the right of the citizen to move Supreme Court for the enforcement of his fundamental rights is suspended by. Answer is option number B. The President of India. Question number 56. The powers of the President are. Answer is option number B. In accordance with the Constitution. Question number 57. After a bill has been passed by the Parliament and sent to the President. Answer is option number D. He can send it back for consideration. Question number 58. The salary and allowances of the governor are charged to. Answer is option number A. Consolidated fund of the state. Question number 59. Member of Lok Sabha are elected by way of. Answer is option number A. People's representation. Question number 60. Representation of Lok Sabha is based on. Answer is option number B. Population. Question number 61. A member of parliament can claim immunity. Answer is option number B. From civil cases only. Question number 62. Prorogation of the House means. Answer is option number C. The session of the House has been terminated. Question number 63. The Constitution of India provides special procedure for. Answer is option number A. Money Bill. Question number 64. The Attorney General of India hold office during the pleasure of. Answer is option number C. The President of India. Question number 65. In the event of the resignation or death of Prime Minister. Answer is option number A. The ministry is dissolved. Question number 66. Rajya Sabha has the exclusive authority to. Answer is option number C. Recommend the creation of new All India services. Question number 67. A law made by Parliament having extraterritorial operation shall. Answer is option number A. Not be deemed invalid. Question number 68. Article 155 to 159 of the Indian Constitution deal with. Answer is option number D. President's power to appoint and dismiss governor. Question number 69. The Speaker of Lok Sabha has to address his letter of resignation to the. Answer is option number B. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 70. To adjudicate on any dispute relating to any interstate rivers or interstate valley. Answer is option number D. The Parliament is empowered to establish tribunal and to that extend the jurisdiction of the. Question number 71. The Supreme Court of India is. Answer is option number A. A court of record and has power to punish for its contempt. Question number 72. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed. Answer is by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and out of the judges of. Question number 73. The minimum number of the judges to sit on a constitution bench or on a bench which gives it advisory opinion on the reference by the President must be. Answer is option number A, 7. Option number A, 7. Question number 74. Supreme Court has original jurisdiction. Answer is option number A, in all interstate or union state disputes. Question number 75. It is inappropriate for petitioner in public interest litigation to. Answer is option number C, withdraw proceeding as of right and further to claim that they shall not be continued. Question number 76. A retired judge of High Court cannot. Answer is option number C, practice in the High Court from which he has retired. Question number 77. The jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India may be enlarged by. Answer is option number A, Parliament by law. Question number 78.